What's up everybody, in today's video I'm going to be trying to complete this thing right here. You can see my mouse. Yeah. Okay, so it's really simple. I'll show you example because I actually really like I'm not that far, but I'll show you all what it really means. There's so many better when I can watch it now. I need this. They're already brain rots. One of the brain rots was like what the crocodile, which I can't. But Nanini, bro. What the heck is this? What did it do? Alright, potion, handcuffs. Give me what the. Okay, yeah, this is basically what you get. I got 700 million, bro. Ain't no way, bro. So my price, get grand price. I'm gonna try to get this guy right here. Okay. It was no wait NA. I need this one. No, let's take this. See what in the earth? I think I actually have that. Everything in this brainrot starts with letter B, bro. But I think I found it. Let's go. Wait, that's very easy. I actually really have it. Bro, this is brain rotted, bro. My brain is gonna be rotted like crazy, bro. Wait, they really need that. Lol. Or okay, let's go. Okay. But I also have that. But they give me all easy brain rots. Imagine there's also they're asking for like a dragon corner load. Bro, I don't know what the heck is that. SV, there we go. Wait, what? Okay. Bombodillo Guzzi, I see where you see. Bombo. Get it? It's a good series, bro. I'm gonna call the. Why did I get this? Oh, I'm gonna do the. Oh, my phone here a second down. Okay, let me have to do this over there. No, what's this? There's only one Bandito, bro. I'm getting brain rotted by all these, bro. But I did. Oh shoot, bro. Do I have that? Whoa. No one can have it. Oh shoot. No. What do I do, bro? I don't have that. And how am I supposed to have that? Bro, they're so smart, bro. 64%, bro. How am I supposed to get that dragon fruity, bro? What? Anyone use dragon fruity? Nah, bro. What the heck? I couldn't like that. I couldn't like that, bro. It's crazy. Wait, now how am I supposed to continue, bro? Wait, what are they called again? What the hell? Wait, it's a fruit. It's a legendary fruit. Go see it. What the sigma? Oh my gosh. It's a carnivorous. What's the ant beauty? What? This doesn't even say anything. Ain't no way, bro. Let's pound it down. Oh wait, nah, I forgot about that. Oh no, I'll delete my shovel. I got so good brain rots. I'll time to say bye to this. I don't like that, by the way. put that down. 2 minutes so short. Wait, I forgot to check about the bronze 209. Can I check it like that? Yeah. Check 7. I'm gonna delete another one. I like this one. Okay, let's go see. I think it was it. Oh, they don't say that. I have 2 hello. I don't know what seats are there, bro. What are even all these seats, bro? You want 3 seconds? Hello? 3 seconds? I hear some flowers, bro. There. That's too many. Oh shit. This thing is like 3 seconds, bro. 1, 2, 3. Wait, no, I forgot what to do. Damn, wait, did you need to count OP for 3 seconds? No, it's crazy. Then the 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a red. Bro, you see it right now, bro. Yeah, nothing good. This is a mid. Okay, we're just waiting for this thing. Grow. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I want that forever, bro. It is sunflower. I got sunflower 2.0, bro. Are you serious right now, bro? Oh no, sunflower. Watch this. I know, I don't watch this. Okay, guys, comment in the video, guys, please. Love ya.